Nail Soup Media. We specialize in websites, web communities, and internet products.
Okay, so I want to tell you why I want to use you, and there's so many reasons. First of all, I love this layout, and there's some things here I want to do and different things, but I like the feel of it, but I also like that it's very fast and it's coded really well. The fact that you have fewer requests, and there's just a lot about it. Then when you talked about, that you guys know about lead magnets and remarketing and some other elements, that had me wanting to use you more. And then when you said that, hey, we make sites like templates, like a theme that you can then take and use on the next project. All those things said, yes, that's what I want to use you for. So basically, recently you emailed saying that you want to start from scratch on each one, and I'm not sure what that means, because up until that point I was like, done. Let's just rock and roll with some sites, because here's what I have. You've used this as a basis for other sites, and so like I need something like this. I have this site. I need you to take this and make it, using Avada, make it to where it is clean coded and it loads fast, and I can take this and use it over and over. Now, like here, you're saying that you just want to have an image, a video like the one that you have. That's fine. I don't care. But basically what I need is a site that has elements and can, look like this to a degree, and then but load super fast. This doesn't load, and it's because of how it's been coded or something. I don't know what it is. And you've tried to fix it and you can't. So, why can't you just make a template for this, right? So that's one version. Then I need another one that is like this. And I know you said you want to work at $13 an hour or whatever. I'd rather have everything that you do, a nice, with a nice video header and some components below and parallax, and then have the lead magnets and the remarketing dialed in, all that handled, so that way I can take them and sell them as themes. Have you make a theme for each one, that one, this one, and a couple others, that we can then take that and say, okay, client ordered this look, the way this thing looks, and there's a bunch of different versions of this, but basically that we can then sell and get deployed quicker. So what I want to do is get a bunch of themes that sites that we're selling, but then have it to where they are all dialed in, like to where they're like themes, where all we do is turn it on and then add the current client's information in, and not have it be a big deal, or there's coding that's from the past client, in. It's stuff like that I want to try and get to. So I hope this makes sense. Now this is for the business that for this type of business. I also need a new website for Nail Soup Media, for Reputation Love. I need a site for Nail Soup Media that covers all the different things that we do, and then I need a website for reputation management, review systems, and then some Facebook. I need a website for Facebook marketing. I have all these sites, so there's a lot of business I want to give you. I know that I'm not in the right format like your other companies are. So I need you to help me with that. But can't you take this this site, this one here? Can't you make a version of this that looks like this? Just like you do the vet site. Sorry, I had a phone call. So why can't you just give me a blue top with this? This is Avada. This is Avada, and just give me a video header like you did before on the other sites with Avada. And this is just software. This is short code right here for something. So you just leave this area, have this part, and then leave this blank, and we'll put that in later. And then have like sections, have a parallax thing here. Just like you would pretend this is a site someone gave you and said, hey, I want a better version of this. Why can't you do that? And then make that a template, make it a theme that we can then use as things progress. So give me your thoughts. I know it's been a while. I really want to get things rolling. I have probably 6 to 8 sites I want to get done with you, and have the lead magnets, have the remarketing. My guys don't know remarketing, and they the Facebook pixels and the pay-per-click, retargeting. I would love to have that to sell. So if I know I'm old school. I'm 54 years old. I haven't, the sites I build are just, I get people business in other ways, not by having, the latest technology, and I want to get that. I love the way you come across. I love the stuff how you market, and I want to get that part dialed in right. Okay, so let me know, and let's what can we do? Can you take this site and make a version of it the way you do, so that it scores like this? 85 in less than 3 seconds and 58% faster. That's what I need. So let me know. Thanks.